Hi, my name's Brad from AV Now, and today we're going to show you how to attach your new adjustment band to your Airline 88 headset. So there's a right and a left bracket for your adjustment band. Choose one side, make sure that the ridges on the band line up the opposite direction of the bracket, and simply slide it through. Like that. You'll do it for both sides. As is, and then you can simply clip that onto your headset like that, and you're good to go. If you want to make it more tight, you can simply pull for tighter resistance on the band like that.